Hello everyone, it's Adam.
And Petri.
That's right, and we're going to teach you the calming routine today. You can use the calming routine when you feel frustrated, or you need to calm your body down on the inside, or if your body is feeling out of control on the outside, you can use your calming routine.
Let's try it.
The first is 5 deep breaths, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 deep breaths.
That's the first one. Then there's 5 hand squeezes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Then there's 5 head squeezes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then lastly, there's 5 leg squeezes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our calming routine to help us feel more calm on the inside and out.
Thanks for helping. Bye.
Good job, kids. Thanks for learning my calming routine.